Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Want to earn real money online but don't know where to start? What if I told you there's a website that literally lists hundreds of uh, legit ways to make money and it's completely free. It's called Money Pantry. And in this video, I will show you how to use it to start earning money online today, even if you have zero experience. MoneyPan MoneyPantry.com is a blog style website packed with articles on how to make, save, and get free money online. Unlike scammy sites, this one curates real job ideas, side hostels, and cashback programs with actual links and instructions. At the top, you will see categories like make money. This is the gold mine. You will find articles like 100 sites that pay you to write 50 ways to make money from home. Best online job for teens, saving tips, learn how to spend less and keep more of what you earn. Each post is packed each post is packed with step-by-step guides and direct links to apply or sign up. Let's take one example. Get paid to write. This article lists over 100 websites that pay you to that pay you to write from $50 to $300 per article. Its listings is each listing shows the topic they accept, how much they pay, a direct link to submit your article. If you enjoy writing, if you enjoy writing, this could easily turn into a side income or even a full-time gig. Another fun one is getting free stuff or testing products. Money Pantry lists companies that send you free items, makeup, gadgets, get food in exchange for a review or feedback. Sometimes they will even pay you for your time. Perfect if you love trying new things and giving honest opinions. They also have guides to make money with microtasks and survey sites like Swagbucks, Inbox Dollar, Clickworker, User Testing. Each of these pays each of these pays you to do super simple tasks like watching videos, testing apps, or doing short service. You won't get rich, but it's great for earning extra cash during downtime. Here are a few quick tips to make the most of Money Pantry. Bookmark the site. New content is added regularly. Focus on 1 to 2 methods you enjoy. Be consistent. Even 30 minutes a day adds up. Check out the comments. Sometimes readers drop hidden gems. Money Pantry won't make you rich overnight, but it's one of the most underrated resources for real, honest ways to make money online. Start small, stay consistent, and build your income over time. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more real money tips, and let me know in the comments what method are you gonna try first. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.